It's a great pleasure to me to have you all here with us to our BioMex workshop. Hopefully we will spend a very successful 3 days together. I declare the workshop open.
The BioMex journey is a unique journey. Being back at the place where everything began, like 2 years ago, I'm really proud. BioMex is a digital learning program. It's a certificate program where we try to reach young scientists, but also people from industry, to get an upskilling. Everyone can choose the modules, the skills he would like to see.
The added value is about how to do things, not just knowing, just how to do them, so that even if you are not employed, you understand how to develop your own business. So this is about innovation.
It really shows that international partnership can work.
It's the flexibility of professors. They sacrifice themselves to arrange the lectures at 6, even at 9 p.m. That's so much sacrifice from our professors. This is something I couldn't have gotten anywhere else except in BioMex.
We got degrees and certificates. Some of us get new job opportunities because of the BioMex. Some of us also got admission due to the content that they got. Professional networking, professional internship. All the learners from BioMex, they can still engage together and then keep updating each and everyone.
Now we can think big. Biotech is there. It is for us. Pharmaceutical industries are coming in Africa, in Rwanda particularly. It is for us. We see that it is possible.
BioMex helped everyone who attend to be confident and to know that there is another world outside which can help you to reach to your career.
This is about the creation of jobs. You can secure the job for you, but also create a job for others. And this is a new industry in this country.
I'm really happy that you are part of the journey, but I'm more or less happy that I was allowed to be part of your journey. This is really true. BioMex will never, never, never die. So it would be nice to connect you to the second journey now, which is in Ghana.
BioMex opened the door for us to see and plan for the future.